Mom from Ye Humble Cooking Show, and this is how to cut a cabbage. You will need a good cleaver knife, a chopping block, and a cabbage. I take off these outer leaves just real quick and then cut the base. I just cut around that base and kind of quarter it just like I cut apples. Okay, so you can use the same principle to cut an apple. We're just cutting around the core, which is the hard part. Now I'm cutting the cabbage. Now, cutting the cabbage isn't really that hard. A lot of people spend a lot of money getting prepped food when it's really just takes a couple of minutes to get this ready with a good sharp knife. And then you can have it at your own texture and kind of have fun with it. So we take the stuff we don't like out and we put the stuff we do like in and we put it all together. And then for really not much money, in 3 minutes of time, you've got a prepped cabbage ready to go. Now that's a little part I didn't like, so I just got rid of that. And then I'm finishing up with the last part of it. Again, you just kind of core it, cut off the base, core it like an apple, but that's really it to chop up a cabbage. A lot of people think that this is hard, and so they buy it prepped, but this is a 69-cent cabbage, and look how you got a lot of food there for 69 cents, and it's not hard to prep.